Welcome student, standard 8th, subject mathematics, unit variation, unit number 7, variation. In this video we will study the examples related to time, work and speed are the examples on variations. To solve practice set 7.3, we recall some examples of variation. For examples related to time taken to finish a job and the number of workers are of inverse variation. Remember that. The time taken to convert certain distance by a vehicle and the speed is related to variation. And some workers and their job, time taken to workers and their complete the job, there is a inverse variations. Now first we solve question number 1 to identify which is inverse variation and which is direct variation. See some examples. See example number 1. Which of the following statements are the inverse variation? Here 4 examples are given. We want to identify which of the inverse variation. When there is an inverse variation, remember that if in two variables one increases, other is decreases, then there is an inverse variation. See number 1, number of workers on a job and time taken by them to complete the job. Which inversion is there? Which variation is there? See here. As the number of worker increases, the time taken by to finish a job must be decreases. Therefore, there is inverse variation. Which variation there is? Inverse variation. This is the answer. Second question, number of pipes on same size to fill a tank and the time taken by them to fill the tank. What is the variation between them? See, we explain this. As the number of pipe increases, the time taken to fill the tank decreases. Therefore, there is inverse variation. Third example. Petrol fill in the tank of vehicle and its cost. Now here we remember that as the quantity of petrol increases, cost also increases. Therefore, there is direct variation. Remember that. Therefore, it is not a inverse, it is a direct variation. Next one, area of circle and its radius. Remember that as the radius of circle increases, the area of circle also increases. Means see here, this is the circle of 1 centimeter radius. This is the circle of 2 centimeter radius. This is 1 centimeter radius. As the radius increases, area must be increases. Therefore, area of circle and its radius, there is direct variation, means there is not inverse variation, there is direct variation. This is question number 1. Now we see question number 2. Example number 2. If the 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? Now see here, 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours. Means workers are given and their hours, means time to build a wall is given. and to time is given to build a wall, then how many, see here, how many workers are needed for 30 hours to build a wall we want to find. Now there are two variables. First we assume that solution, let number of workers be x. There is a workers, number of workers be x, and time taken to build a wall b, suppose by, means time taken in wall in given in hours, means time taken to build a wall in hours by. Now remember that as the worker increases, time must be to build a wall in hours b decreases, means there is inverse variation between number of workers and time taken to build wall in hours. There is inverse variation. First you identify the given variation. There is inverse variation. Now how can we write this inverse variation in mathematically? X and y, means x inversely varies as y, means to solve this we take constant where k is called as, k is a constant of variation or constant. This also write as, by taking cross multiplication, x into y is equal to k. This is the given relation. Now to solve, first we find the value of constant, means k. Putting this value of k in this equation, we get the equation of variation. Now see here, number of workers be 15, means since x is equal to 15 number of workers and y is equal to 48 hours. Now putting both these values in equation, x into y is equal to k, we get 15 into 48 is equal to k, means k is equal to 720. Multiplication of 15 into 48 gives 720. Putting this is constant of variation. This is constant of variation. Remember that. Now putting this value in equation, x into y is equal to k, we get, see here, x into y is equal to 720. Now remember that this is an equation of variation. Means to solve the given question, such type of questions, first you identify the variables, then identify the variation between that variables, take a constant and find the value of constant. Putting the value of constant in this equation, we get equation of variation. Now read the question carefully again. See here, how many workers will be required? Workers means we want to find the value of x. If they do the same work in 30 hours, means how can we solve this? We want to find the value of x if y is equal to 30 is given. How can we solve this? See carefully. Putting this value in equation of variation, x into 30 is equal to 720. See again here, multiplying 30, dividing 30 to 720, we get this cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, means x is equal to 24. Now write the answer in word. Hence 24 workers will be required. See question carefully. Here we complete 2 questions to identify the variation, inverse variation, and this is another question number 2, word problem.